Jnananandamayam devam nirmalaspatikakritim adaram sarvavidyanam hayagreevam upasmake. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to the Clay Studio. A very happy new year to you all. I am glad to share this update with you that Sri Hayagreevar Arul painting is now complete. I have just signed up. This is how it looks. I will be continuing work on Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali painting. While I wait on that, the next steps regarding the Hayagriva painting will be that I share these images with my gurus and wait for their feedback. Sometimes, that I've been sitting in front of this canvas for a while now, so it's possible that I have missed certain points or made some mistakes. So they will review and let me know if there is any change that I should do. Once they say okay, then possibly there will be a puja and then a photo shoot. The high quality image coming from the photo shoot will then be used to adjust it according to the requirements of Galato, our print partner, and then it will be published across 33 countries, just the way we did it for Sita Ramam painting or many other paintings that we have seen before. So until such time, many of you have already asked me, can I download the image and have it with me? Yes, you're welcome to do that. Take it from the social media images wherever I have posted. It is fine. But please do remember, the print will not be of optimal quality because they are just images taken on the go without a proper photo shoot. I'll tell you why. This is an example here. If you see, the Om images that I have written have a purple hue or a blue hue and such, and even the white is not pure white. The white has a purple hue, it has a pink hue, a blue or green hue, yellow hue, and so on. So there are subtle colors that have been used to differentiate spaces. And that will not come through without a good quality image. In the images that are available right now, if you print it off, possibly it will only look so flat like just black and white images. So I would definitely request you not to spend money on printing these images at this point. Please wait for the links to be published that will connect you to the high quality images. Until such time, stay blessed, stay happy, stay motivated. We have an amazing year and we have Hayagreevar to help us get through this year as well. Jnananandamayam devam nirmalaspatikakritim adaram sarvavidyanam hayagreevam upasmake. Thank you. Bye-bye.